Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my summer essentials slash favorites, just the things I've been loving this summer. And it's going to be beauty and body and fashion, or beauty, body and clothing inclusive. So I'm going to be showing you like products I've been using on my skin, things like that, and just like things I've been loving and things I feel are essential to me for the summer. So let's get right into the video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share at the end of this video, and leave a comment. Tell me your essentials or your must-haves for summer. And to start off with beauty, I have here my beauty bag, and I'm just going to show you guys the things I've been loving this month. The first thing, of course, is my micellar water. Micellar water. This is the one for normal and sensitive skin. I think I pretty much have a normal type of skin. I mean, I've had normal skin all my life, but yeah, and my skin is super sensitive as well. So this is definitely the should I say flavor, the type for me. This is definitely the type for me. I hope you guys can see, and I hope it's not too blurry. But yeah, this basically cleanses, removes makeup and soothes. I initially use makeup wipes, but the thing with makeup wipes is it's not 100%. It doesn't 100% take off. It doesn't take your makeup off 100%. There's still residue left off after you use a makeup wipe. So I just decided to use this, and it has like a 3-in-1 function. So might as well just use this rather than like use a wipe and then use this afterwards. And it's really good. It doesn't burn my skin. It doesn't itch, and it really does the job. Even sometimes when I don't wear makeup and I'm so sleepy, I can't even go to the bathroom and wash my face. I just take one of these. I use one of this cotton pads, and I just put the micellar water on it, and I just basically wipe my face. I tried to do that 2 times because, you know, I'm just obsessed with cleaning, so I have to do everything twice. So that is definitely one of my beauty favorites. And in this little nylon here, I have like swabs, I have a nail file, and then I have a cotton pad. It's just something I carry everywhere with me rather than like not have something. Like if I were to carry this in my purse and where I'm going to doesn't have like a cotton pad or something, then I have my mini one with me. I think I got this from a hotel, so I just decided to keep restocking it whenever I ran out, or I don't know how to go. And basically I'm always filing my nails, so why not have a nail file with you? So yeah, another essential for me, I would say, is definitely coconut oil. I know you guys are tired of even seeing this on my thing, but then yeah, it's something I started using this for my skin. I stopped using it for my face because oil for the face is not really the best. So I started using this for my skin. And another trick I would tell you guys is to mix this with your body if you have like any powder, because for me I have powder highlight, right? So what I do is I take this and I mix it with my powder highlight, and I use it as like a body glow type of thing. You know that thing that's trending now where they have like this body glow? Like you could just easily make like a DIY from this. Just take like any coconut oil of your choice, or it could even be baby oil, and just put like a little bit of your powder highlight. I'm going to show you guys at the end of this video, but coconut oil is definitely a must for me. Going to the beach, going to anywhere that has sun, I definitely recommend, but for me it's an essential. Another beauty essential is of course lip gloss. La la la. And do you know the funny thing? I always wear lip gloss. Like I'm always so tired to wear lipsticks, even when I try. Like even in winter, fall, I always get so tired. Because the thing with lipsticks is like you get to get tired, right? With like lip gloss, if you lick your lips by accident, it stays, like, you know, it's there, like it's really glossy type of thing. But like if you're wearing a matte lipstick, you could just feel free to lick your lips or do anything, and it comes off faster. So I think I'm I just love using lip gloss better. And my favorite lip gloss is the Fenty Beauty, of course. I have other ones, but this is the one I always grab. It's really like, the packaging is really compatible, like you can pack it with anything, rather than the other ones I have that are just like long. I have the NYX Cosmetics chromish, is it chromatic lip gloss as well, but that one doesn't, like I really have to blend that one in and use like a liner, and this one is just the best. I have it on now and it's the best, to be honest. Another essential, a beauty essential for me would be mini perfumes. It's summertime, so I have to have like a mini perfume with me anywhere. Whenever I go like makeup shopping or to the drugstore, I always like ask for samples, or even Sephora, I always ask for samples of like perfumes I want to buy in like full bottles, and I just basically hoard them when I get them. So I always have one in each of my tiny purses. So, and the last product for me for an essential will be exfoliating wipes. Now, one thing I noticed is there's like wipes for cleansing. Apparently, I just learned that this year. There's like cleansing, exfoliating, makeup removing, like all of them are different. Like the one I used to use, and another brand I just started using is Simple, because they sent me like samples of their makeup wipes a couple months ago, and I tried it. It didn't burn my skin, and I really loved how it made my skin feel. So I decided to go out and get more. Plus they gave me a coupon code, so, and it's really a brand I just started using and I'm obsessed with them. The next product I'm going to get is their facial wash, because that's something I need. So basically I just learned that there's a difference between like it's even like 2-in-1, cleansing and exfoliating. Okay, cleansing, exfoliating, makeup removing. Makeup removing just like basically takes off your makeup. Cleansing is like to cleanse your face afterwards, and exfoliating is basically like removing dirt from your face. But this one says 2-in-1, cleansing and exfoliating, which is even better. So I decided, I was originally going to buy the makeup removing one, but why I have this one that cleanses I have this one that cleanses and removes makeup, and then I have this that cleanses and exfoliates. So why not buy the exfoliating and use this to cleanse and remove your makeup instead of buying like two of basically almost the same thing. So that is all for my summer beauty favorites that I've been loving. Oh, one more thing, one more summer beauty favorite of mine is the Fenty Beauty Matchstick Trio. I just recently started using this. I've just had it for aesthetics for a long time, but I just recently started using this, and I used the cinnamon highlight today on my face. Now if you know me, you know I'm not like a powder highlight person. I've always tried to get like the perfect powder highlight, but I don't know how people do it. And for me, the type of skin I have, it's not like I could just put powder highlight and it would, like, I don't want to look like a ghost or something like that, or too gold. So I feel like the best type of highlights for me are this kind, like the one you can like blend in, or the liquid ones. So I'm definitely loving the Fenty Beauty Matchstick Trio, because it's just, I don't know, I like the formula. I used the concealer and the contour stick today as well, and I like how it's, you know, looking at my face. It's definitely something I'm going to be obsessed with. So yeah, that's it for my beauty favorites. Now we're going to be moving on to clothing. We're going to be moving on to clothing. So okay, moving on to clothing, guys. The first thing I'm going to start off with is the accessories, of course. And with me, I have here my hoops. Like, I'm a hoop type of girl. I'm a hoop type of girl. I don't know, in the summer I just can't live without hoops. Well, I can, but like, I don't know, I just feel like I have to wear them, especially like now that I've cut my hair. I feel like it brings out like more of my sexy side. So hoops are definitely a thing I love. I've always loved them. I think that those are like my first pair of earrings were hoops. Another thing is, I would say, my baby purses. I like to call them baby purses because they're like so little, like literally so little. Well, to be honest, mini purses are all I have. I have like just two bags, like two proper handbags that are big, which are brown and black, and those are the only colors I have. I don't think I'll go crazy enough to like buy other colors or like big handbags when I don't even carry that a lot. But definitely my baby purses I always carry. I have them in every color. I'm not even joking. I have blue, red, pink, black, brown, yellow, white. So it's definitely a summer staple for me because it's easy to carry. In summertime, you're not even putting that much in your bag. Literally, you're only putting what? Your lip gloss, your perfume, a wipe. You're not putting too much, so it's perfect for the summer, and it's a perfect staple item as well. You can, you know, take it anywhere you're going to in summer, to the beach, to a party, to the club. You see, another thing, a club. And another staple I would say are also like what do you call them, the crossbody bags. Crossbody bags as well. I don't have mine with me here, but I know that's another essential for the summer. But this is definitely for me, my mini bags. I just love to collect them, whether it's vintage or the new ones. If you know what, if you just want to get me something for like my birthday or Christmas, just get me like a mini purse. That is expensive, of course. But yeah, that is one of them. And another thing I would say is the beach hat. The beach hat, the beach hat, the beach hat, the beach hat. Well, this I just even got this summer. It's been trending a lot more this summer. I mean, like, obviously beach hats have been around like for ages and ages, but I feel like this summer is more trendy. And I don't particularly like follow trends, but this is something I was loving. Like, it depends on the type of trend, to be honest. If it's the trend that everyone is just following for following's sake, you'll never catch me there. But if it's something that people are doing and I see, okay, this is actually what I want, like I actually like how it's looking on people and I feel it look good on me, like this I was seeing a lot. Like, there are these big ones that people are using to do like photo shoots and stuff, like big, like literally so big, bigger than your body. But this is something I definitely had to get. I feel like it fits the occasion, especially with this blazing hot sun that is coming out in the summertime. So that is an essential for me. Like, is it even up for discussion, guys? Huh? I'm sorry, can I check into my room now? I'm sorry, what did you say? Huh? And now moving on to the clothing item itself, I would say mules are one of them. Like, mules are a must-have. These I got them from College Spring. I actually got this from the thrift store, but it's originally from College Spring. And they're actually the only pair of mules I have for now. I want to get like a black one, but I haven't found like the perfect black mule to get for my legs. But mules are definitely an essential for me. I'm obsessed with that thing. I always wear it, and my friends are actually even tired of me anytime I wear that shoe. I always laugh. But yeah, those are essential for me. And another pair of shoes I've been loving are my sandals from H&M. These are like super comfortable. Like, I can wear with anything, my jeans, my skirts, my shorts, anything, and it's like easy to remove. Like, don't you just love when it's like summer and it's really hot and the shoes you're wearing, you could easily like wear them as slippers or anything. Like, who wants to be wearing Converse or something, or like training shoes in this heat? On to our, of course, first thing is my bodysuit. I'm a collector of bodysuits in the summertime. I like to get bodysuits in every color, but I prefer to do it like nude colors, not too bright. I basically get like black, brown, nude, yellow, colors that are not, I know yellow is bright, but like colors that are not too like, they're not overdoing it basically. But this is a black bodysuit, which is an essential, which is a staple for me, because I don't know, a black bodysuit goes with anything. Like, you could throw on a pair of jeans with it, wear your mules or your sandals, throw on a pair of hot sunglasses, and you're out the door, honey. But yeah, I feel like this goes with anything, so why not get it? And it's easy to wear. I don't like to wear, like in the summertime basically, I don't like to wear long sleeve. Like, if I wear long sleeve in a day, I'll feel so irritated with myself, literally, because the sun is that hot. And another thing for me is this skirt. Like, everyone compliments this skirt. I got it from, I think, Urban Planet. It's a little bit big now because I've lost a lot of weight. Okay, maybe not a lot of weight, maybe just like 3 to 4 pounds. But basically, I got it in, actually I have lost a lot of weight because I got this a year ago, and it's really big. Like, I have to use like a belt to hold it in because it's really big around my waist. going to try and like mend it myself, but this is basically, I've taken a couple pictures in it and people actually love this skirt. I might end up selling it because it's big now, but it's definitely an essential for me because it's just something I could wear with any of my tops and just throw like a pair of sandals or my Vans, wear my Vans with it, and I have like an outfit right there. But yeah, this is basically, and I could just even put these two together when I'm going to like maybe a barbecue party or a beach or something, to swim, anything. Actually, to swim, that's a good one. I could just put these two together, which is good actually, right? That's good. But yeah, that is all for this video, guys. Those are all my essentials slash must-haves slash favorites for summer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys should let me know what you have, or your beauty products that are your favorites that you have to have with you during summer or you're dying. Just let me know in the comment section, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, and share, and subscribe, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.